Hey kids, want to launch your own rocket? Let's build one using air and water. Buckle up for a blast of science.
Take an empty bottle made of sturdy plastic. 2-liter size works, make it fantastic. Find some cardboard, cut 3 fins. Tape them tight so the rocket wins. Flip the bottle, the top's now the base. Add a cone up top for a streamlined race. Pour in water, just a quarter full. The rest is air, that's the pressure tool. Use a cork with a hole, snug and tight. Fit it with a pump that locks in right. Now set your rocket on solid ground. Use a launch stand, keep safety sound. Pump in air with each strong push. The water's trapped, it starts to gush. Pressure builds inside the shell. The cork holds tight, but not for long, well. When force beats seal, that cork will pop. Water blasts down, and the rocket goes up. Newton's third law takes the lead. Push down water and up we speed. More pressure means a higher flight, but don't overdo, it must launch right. Measure the height, test different fins, then redesign and try again.
Oh, that's rocket science in your own backyard. Use water, air, and a little care, and fly with flair. Don't forget to wear goggles and launch far away from people and pets. Okay, my little aerospace engineers, it's time for a quiz. Question 1. What makes the rocket launch? Water or air? Answer: air pressure. Explanation: the pump adds air into the bottle, building pressure. When the cork pops, the air forces the water out, pushing the rocket upward. Question 2. What law explains why the rocket flies? Answer: Newton's third law of motion. Explanation: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The water pushes down, and the rocket pushes up. That's question 3. Why do we add fins to the bottle rocket? Answer: to keep the rocket stable and flying straight. Explanation: fins help guide the rocket in the right direction and stop it from spinning out of control. Way to go, rocket scientists! You built it, you launched it, and you learned the science behind it. Remember, when water blasts down, your rocket shoots up, thanks to air pressure and Newton's third law. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and let your ideas soar. I'm Sparkie the Lightbulb, and I'll see you next time in the STEM Spark Zone, where science lights up your world.